Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create this gloomy aesthetic coloring for your videos in CapCut. So first, just add your videos and then go to the filter menu at the CapCut and then swipe through the category until you find the mono category, then add this Warlock filter. Okay, click on the adjust tab and follow the settings. So for the brightness, lower it to -4, contrast increase it to 10, saturation 15, and then the exposure, or now it calls brilliance, lower it to -5, then sharpen 10, and then highlight also 10, shadow -10, and lastly add some vignette effect around 15. Okay, so now you are done. Just click on the check icon, then you'll have this gloomy coloring. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks below. Bye.